Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss out, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play What's Up by 4 Non-Blondes. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are G major, A minor, and C major. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. The next chord that we're going to learn is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And our last chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression of this entire song. It's just going to be G major for 8 beats, A minor for 8 beats, C major for 8 beats, and back to G major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, 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 up. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the G major chord. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And now let's combine that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through What's Up. 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of man, for whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed, just to get it all out what's in my head. And I am feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath just to feel real fine. And I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down in my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play What's Up by 4 Non-Blondes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.